Hi, it's Allison from Mahalo.com. Today let's talk about classifying angles. So there's various types of angles, and usually they're classified by their measurement. So let's take a look. The measurement of an angle is usually written as maybe a lowercase m. Now, acute angles are those that measure less than 90 degrees. And they look, like a small angle that's less than 90 degrees. A right angle is one that measures equal to 90 degrees. That looks like this, and usually it's indicated with a little square there to indicate that that's a right angle. The two lines that create it are meeting perpendicular to each other. Now, an obtuse angle is one that measures greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. And an obtuse angle looks like this. So we can see that that measurement, that would be the measure of the angle right there, is greater than 90 degrees, but not as much as 180 degrees. 180 degrees is a straight line. And as a matter of fact, straight angles are ones that measure equal to 180 degrees. And they just look like a straight line. So that's a straight angle. Now, a reflex angle is one that measures greater than 180 degrees. So a reflex angle might look something like this. We have our angle here, and the reflex angle would be this one, the one on the outside that's actually greater than 180 degrees. Now, we can have adjacent angles. Adjacent angles share a vertex and a side, but no interior points. So that looks like this. We would have one angle here with this vertex, and then we would have another angle here. So we have this angle, we'll mark that with a little hash mark there, and then we've got another angle over here. Now, these two angles are adjacent. They share a vertex and they share a side, this adjacent side, but they don't share any points in their interiors. Now, vertical angles are formed by two intersecting lines. They look like this. And so these two angles here, this one and this one, are vertical angles. These angles here are also vertical angles. And vertical angles are congruent to each other. That means they're equal. That's just a geometry word for equals. Now, supplementary angles are two angles whose measures add to be 180 degrees. So an angle that's 150 degrees and an angle that's 30 degrees are supplementary angles. Their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Complementary angles are ones that add to 90 degrees. So a 30-degree angle and a 60-degree angle are complementary because the sum of their measurements is 90 degrees. And that's a little primer on classifying angles. Thanks for learning with me today. If you want more information on any of the topics, click on any of the links below. And if you liked our videos, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. If you have a specific request, send it to requests@mahalo.com, and I'll see you next time.